What is going on YouTube? How is everybody doing today? Today we're going to scrap out this old TV, see what goodies it has for us. I already took out the screws on the back. Somebody has already cut off most of the power cord. That wasn't me. But let's see what this sucker has for us. So here's what you got when you open up. This is the inside of the old TVs. You got your circuit board, and there is some copper on there as well. You have your copper bell. This one's a small one. You have wires. Usually there's a copper degaussing cable on it. I don't know, is it? But this one right here doesn't seem to have one. I guess this one is too old before that came out. But that's okay. Still a lot of good things on here. So let's go ahead and break her down and let's see what we got. All right. So let's start off by snipping these cables. Let's get this bell off. Now, I guess inside here there's some sort of gas. I'm not sure the name of it. But it is harmful for you, so you don't want to breathe it in. So you want to try not to break it open. And also inside here there is tin, but I'm not going to worry about it and take it out because it doesn't weigh very much. So you want to get this off of here, which I don't think I'm going to be able to do because this is in the way. Let's move this stuff so we can see. And this piece right here, that's a little piece of brass. Come on, buddy. Got some clips right here. Now, as you can see, there's the copper bell right there. That's all copper. Taking off those magnets. Circuit board, a lot of times they're just in this little groove. Just got to open it up a little bit, pull it out. Now, you do want to be careful when you're doing this because these right here on the back are sharp and they will stick you. Let's get all these cut off. All right, and this is what we got in here. Now, if you guys could see, these are some copper posts. These posts right here, they have copper on it. That has copper on it. That has copper on it. So I'll pull that off. This right here also has copper. This right here, I believe there's copper in there. Yep, there is. This has copper, but I'm not going to take that off. I'm going to leave it. And there is also copper on that transformer right there. knob up in the front. Sometimes when it don't listen, you just gotta hit it with a hammer. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and move this out of the way. All right, so what I'm gonna do, grab my needle nose. One piece of copper. Two little pieces of copper. Get the rest of these wires. Do the same thing with this right here. Now everything on here is going to be number 2 copper, because you can tell it all has that little coating of stuff on there. Got some more right here. Got a little bit more right here. A little bit more right here. That's got copper in there. So yes, I'm not pretty about doing things. I beat stuff with hammers. Got some more copper right there. That little transformer right there, I'm not even messing with that. So this one right here, we might mess with. More copper on that. Might as well. Ah! Hit my hand. You know, it's harder to do things when you're on camera. You're trying to film it. sure right now I look like a hot mess. I promise you, I know what I'm doing. All right, now the rest of this, I'm just gonna throw in my circuit board bucket, 15 cents a pound. Get that off. I just try to get it done as quick as possible because time is money. What it needs is one more whack. This little table ain't working out. This isn't where I normally do it. There we go. That's a lot better. The easiest way I found for these, you take them and you bash them with a hammer, break it up. And it comes right out. Give it one more little whack. You know what? There's a lot of little thin copper in that. Doesn't really amount to much, but it's better than nothing, right? break out the crucible. So out of that little tiny TV, this is how much copper we got out of it. Nice little copper ball. Also got a little bit of wires. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe.